if I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I know you want it, wanna see you trying. Just keep on pushing on that you fighting.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I know. He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixing
Ita ukiface mingi kwa shelf, si ndio? Juni nono. But hii ndio smart. Gani? Everything is smart. Oh. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. Hasa ubaya huku kwetu on this side senye tunaanza tu hivi kurecord ndio hiyo sasa kuku imeamua kuanza their thing. But anyway, let me finish up before I run out of time. It's currently 12:02. Hiyo ni mbuzi na liaki huku kwetu ni dogi, kuku, mbuzi, ng'ombe, everything. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys. I bought myself a new baby. We have a new baby in town. Guess what? We are running away from this. Hii sasa ibambi. Ile inabamba sasa ni. Nimekuwa nikiona kwa vlogs za watu, nimekuwa nikiona I bought myself this baby in town. If you don't follow me on TikTok, go and follow me. Nilibaitao Luthuli Avenue, Munyu inaitwaje? Munyu building center. Hivyo. Munyu Road, Munyu building center hivyo. So, now if you want the like specific place where I bought it, follow me on TikTok. Utaona yo ka clip. Nako TikTok space mean ka big girl, eh? But anyway, guys, let me unbox it with you. I'm going to overuse this. Yani. Anyway, this is how it looks. I felt like it's so tiny for the amount of money I paid. Nililipa 4K. But kwa nini Instagram shops ni 4,000 ama 5,000. Nimekuwa nikicheck, nimekuwa nikiweka kwa my wish list. Anyway, guys, God had my prayer na we have a new baby. Mtu anafai kwanza na gadget ama accessories. Hata tumenyanze na the gadget because we don't have time to waste, right? Iko na hii switch ya switch up, switch on and off. Hii ni inani distract sana, this ring light here. Ile iko hapa and distract. I don't know what to do. But I love this setup. Looks pretty, yeah? So, and this is how it looks. This is how this baby looks like. Please forgive me for my background noises. This is how my baby looks like. I'm about to like acha niweke kwa socket tuone vile kana waka. I don't know kama nimerudisha ama. Oh, acha nimalize kwanza kwa unbox ndio tuweke kwa light, right? Inakuja na hii. This one is for the tripod, tripod. Inakuja na 2 meters tripod, of which ilikuwa hapa. Na hiyo ndo tunatumia currently for my ring light. Cause guess what, babies? Guess what? Iyo, my other tripod ilikuwa imespoil. But right now, my cousin is fixing it up for me. ndio niweze kuitumia. Yeah, I'm so happy. Nilikuwa nimekasirika cause hiyo hii tripod ilikuwa inanibo for real. Mimi sipendi kuwa messy. I don't like working with messy things. My baby, my love, my baby. Okay, tuwashe. You see that? Asa nataka kuvunja foundation, Mungu wangu. Mkije. Do you see? So iko ndio. It is working on the nini na iwaka hapa. What is all this? The past week has been so amazing, like so great, and I'm so thankful to God. I'm so like, I don't know what to say. Anyway, they sent me this package. Packages zinafai kukuja kwa shopping bag, but mimi sijika kwa shopping bag kwa sababu nilikuwa naitumia. So kuna haja ya ku pretend? Nope, that's the answer. So nilipewa this. Okay, najua itaonekana vizuri, but ni purely pampering shea and butter warm vanilla body wash. Smells heavenly. And then this lotion, this cream, not lotion, ni ya Jargons deep hydrating coconut for I think this one is for dry skin. If you have a cream and it's not hydrating ama haikubambi, this is what you are supposed to do. Uchukue hiyo cream yako na uchukue a lotion that you have, not a lotion, oil, body oil that you have, uweke ndani and then you mix it. Itakuwa perfect for you. And then if you don't like the scent, like for me, I didn't like this scent. What I did was I took my body oil perfume, nikaeka ndani, and then I mixed it up. So now, guess what? It smells so good and it looks so good. Another thing that I'm going to unbox is this baby right here. And guys, I love it. Okay, I don't love it because it's to me, but anything makeup, count me in. I got this foundation, LA Pro Matte. I use this Pro Coverage near LA Bado. I use it but kameisha. So niliona this page on Instagram inaitwa Vita Pharmacy Cosmetics. Iko sawa mall. Hivyo ndio iko. Their packaging is so nice. Nikaenda huko and I got myself this foundation, of which I'm gonna try it today. It was going for 1,200 bob. Yeah, so I'm going to use it and then I come back and show you the finished product. And guys, I'm also excited because my products from Turkey, they're arriving today. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. I'm a blessed girl. I deserve all things good. I deserve the best. I'm worth everything. Okay? Anyway, I'll see you guys on my next clip. Bye.
Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that.
You need to give it up, boy.
No girl can't see me a cause problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat, but me a want them. Tell them this a real sheng on them. No girl can't see me a cause problem.
I'm not feeling myself in this week anymore. I think nime style vibaya. Am I supposed? Guys, so my package that I was telling you guys about in Africa, it just arrived and I'm excited. New goodies for the shop. If you want to shop, just go to Instagram and DM me or just write a comment down here and I'll reach out to you. Yeah, so one of the mini, they're so cute. They look so pretty. Let me open up with you guys. na vitu poa, guys. I've already seen the most wanted shoes ever. They're so cute, so cute. Nana mostly nimechukua size 39 and nimechukua unafurahia hivyo. Nimechukua mostly size 38 na 39 because most girls ni your size. So if you want it, first come first serve. If you come, I'll just sell it to you at an affordable price. Woo! And then you have this gorgeous bag. Hii sijui mbona ina karatasi, but I'll just package it. And then kuna pia hii another version of this. Guys, they're so gorgeous. Go to my shop, uende uangalie the things that I've bought when a new in stock, then yeah, you can just buy them from there. Thank you for watching. Let me open up and finish. Home.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up.
And I'm about to go home and take a nice shower. So yeah, these are all my skincare products, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So ini ngapi? Na set ikikuja kama set. So pretty. Na zile tags za kuweka kwa spices. Oni zile labels. Sawa basi. Hello my loves, welcome to yet another interesting video. It's me Nice, and I'm back again with another video for you guys to watch, for you guys to enjoy. So nimetoka tu sahi nini town, and I want to like do a TikTok live. If you don't follow me on TikTok, please go and follow me at Susan K everywhere, Instagram, TikTok, Susan K. My storage is doing me wayo, so acha nini, let me go on TikTok live. If you're from TikTok, please say hello. Thank you so much for the support and everything. So here are the things that I wanna sell on TikTok. Niko na 2 bags zingine ziko hapo kwa suitcase, so I want to remove them. Lucky mimi nimechoka. I just want to finish this video. I don't know why my phone is acting up. Okay, see you.
I look better under you. I can't lose when